Uh, Namaste. Hello. Welcome back. Uh, I hope that this learning journey has been smooth for you and you are able to achieve your learning goals through this course. Uh, and unfortunately, we are not able to interact as we do in live classes for obvious reasons. These are recorded sessions, but with the note of hope, let's start this lesson. I'm going as slow as I can go, all right? आजकल क्या सीख रहे हो? आजकल we have already done these days. क्या सीख रहे हो? New verb for you. सीखना, to learn, all right? Se with long e, then khe and na. सीखना is to learn. What are you learning these days? All right, present continuous tense. A question: what are you learning these days? Now, when I teach you these sentences, for example, here, try to replace the verbs. All right. For example, if we put देखना here, present continuous will remove na. आजकल क्या देख रहे हो? What are you watching these days? आजकल क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing these days? आजकल क्या काम कर रहे हो? What are you working on these days? All right. आजकल कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going these days? आजकल क्या पी रहे हो? What are you drinking these days? आजकल क्या खा रहे हो? What are you eating these days? All right. Try to make more sentences. All right. Replacing words, questions, for example, replace kya with kaha, and replace time expression आजकल put अब कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? All right. So try to make more and more sentences. Okay, that's the only way to learn any language. Now let's go to the lesson story. The lesson story is Raju and the team are back to classes and their normal lives. Raju is curious. He wants to get updated what's going on in his absence, right, in the class. So he asks a few questions to the class. Now let's see what are these questions. आप लोग आजकल क्या सीख रहे हैं? आप लोग आजकल क्या सीख रहे हैं? आप लोग आजकल क्या सीख रहे हैं? सीखना. अंग्रेजी के अध्यापक क्या सिखा रहे हैं? अंग्रेजी के अध्यापक क्या सिखा रहे हैं? सिखाना, another verb. सब कैसा चल रहा है? सब कैसा चल रहा है? सब कैसा चल रहा है? चलना. One more. Fourth question is, हम कौन से पेज पर हैं? हम कौन से पेज, English word, पर हैं? Fifth one is, कौन कौन स्कूल नहीं आ रहा है? कौन कौन स्कूल नहीं आ रहा है? So these are the 5 questions Raju is asking. Now let's discuss these questions. So now let's discuss these sentences. The first one is, आप लोग आजकल क्या सीख रहे हैं? आप लोग आजकल क्या सीख रहे हैं? In the title we saw that आजकल क्या सीख रहे हो, right? सीख रहे हो. Here is conjugated with तुम और तुम लोग. Here is with आप और आप लोग. That's why रहे हैं and रहे हो. What are you learning these days? People. Right? That's our first question. Now, the second question is, अंग्रेजी के अध्यापक क्या सिखा रहे हैं? अंग्रेजी के अध्यापक क्या सिखा रहे हैं? अंग्रेजी is English के अध्यापक, English teacher. We use K here for respect. We want to show respect to our teachers. That's why अंग्रेजी के अध्यापक, even if अध्यापक is singular. Right? अंग्रेजी के अध्यापक क्या सिखा रहे हैं? The verb here is सिखाना, to teach. All right? सीखना with a long E symbol and सिखाना with a short E symbol. All right? This is long E and this is short E. These are vowel symbols. Remember this. Third one is सब कैसा चल रहा है? सब कैसा चल रहा है? How is everything going? Verb here is चलना. 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 Chalna has multiple meanings. Chalna can be to happen or to take place. For a tool or a machine, it can be function, and it can also be to walk for a person. All right. Now let's make these sentences. First one is सब ठीक चल रहा है? Everything is going fine. सब ठीक चल रहा है? Everything is going fine. To function, मेरा फोन नहीं चल रहा. My phone is not working. मेरा फोन नहीं चल रहा. My phone is not working. Yeah, the second example. To walk. मैं रोज every day 2 घंटे 2 hours we did in the last chapter 2 घंटे चलता हूँ. I walk every day for 2 hours. चलना. We used चलना in all 3 senses meanings. Right? Now, हम कौन से पेज पर हैं? हम कौन से पेज पर हैं? Again, a new question word for you guys. कौन सा is which. On we know who with a suffix sa. Alright, कौन सा is which or which one. हम कौन से पेज पर हैं, कौन सा plus page, English word page, per apposition. That's why कौन सा becomes कौन से, because oblique case rules will work. कौन सा is which, and it will change with the gender. कौन सी feminine with the number. कौन से masculine plural, and कौन सी feminine plural. In the explanation notes, we'll find more examples with कौन सा, कौन सी. Alright, you can check those examples. हम कौन से पेज पर हैं, which page are we on. Then the fifth one, कौन कौन स्कूल नहीं आ रहा है. कौन कौन स्कूल नहीं आ रहा है. Who all are not coming to school. Ana, to come. Alright? Who all. On is who all, we know that. So that's all for 5 sentences. Now let's go to the exercises. The first one here is we have to fill the blanks with the correct form of adjective. कौन सा in adjective. Which. शहर is masculine singular. City. So कौन सा. भाषाएं, languages. Feminine plural. कौन सी. महीना. कौन से महीने, masculine plural. कौन से हफ्ते, which weeks. कौन से हफ्ते, masculine plural. कौन सा अध्यापक, but for respect we will use कौन से अध्यापक, which teacher. कौन सा दिन, which day. Day, month, weeks. These are all masculine. Alright. काम. काम is also masculine noun. कौन सा काम. Buses, feminine plural. कौन सी buses. School. कौन सा school. छात्र, which student. कौन सा छात्र. Alright. You can try with other words as well. शहर and भाषाएं. These were 2 new words for you. शहर, भाषाएं. So in the second exercise we have to make 10 questions using क्या. Now if you remember, we can make 2 types of questions with क्या. The first ones are close-ended ones. And the second type is open-ended questions. Alright. Example. क्या तुम घर पर हो. क्या तुम घर पर हो. Are you at home? This question must be answered with a yes or a no. Close-ended. तुम घर पर क्या कर रहे हो. तुम घर पर क्या कर रहे हो. What are you doing at home? Now here you have to give an elaborate answer. Alright. So here we have to make the second type of questions using kya. I will do 3 questions, alright, and remaining 7 I will let you do yourself. तुम क्या खरीद रहे हो? What are you buying? तुम क्या देखते हो? What do you watch? वे क्या दिखा रहे हैं? What are they teaching? Alright, you can make similar questions yourself. Alright, I hope this is clear. Now let's go to the next page, translation. You can check this section. Here I have given a detailed explanation of konsa. You will see many examples here and how konsa gets modified in oblique case. That also we will see here, right? And then you can check explanation notes. There are a few extra examples, sentences to help you. All right, now let's revise. We did konsa means which, konsi feminine, konse masculine plural, and again konsi feminine plural. Right, then we did seekhna to learn, khana to teach, and chalna, many significations. But in a casual setting you can ask kya chal raha hai? Kya chal raha hai? What's happening? Alright, kya chal raha hai? What's happening? It's a sentence we ask in a casual, a question we ask in a casual meeting. Okay, very informal. Alright, so that's all for this lesson. I will see you in the next